What's up, everybody? Welcome to another update of Ethereum. If you watched my stream yesterday, I was looking at the 4-hourly and the video yesterday, and we were at this candle possibly. And I was telling you, if we have the chance to go to the value area high or even higher targets that I plotted out previously. But I was also telling you that if we get rejected and aren't able to get above the 1914, which I plotted several videos ago, I showed you that target, we could be coming down to the 1850 or 1845. 1845 is exactly what we got on this candle to the cent. Now we got a bounce. If you were on smaller time frames, you could have seen the reaction at 1850, this yellow line that you see, and you could see that we wicked below it, went all the way to 1845. The next candle opened above it, and we bounced and continued higher all the way to the POC. Now we are at the POC. We are trying to break up. You could see these candles are wicking up, trying to stop out people, and it might continue higher. If you are to consider a short, then you could look at Fibonacci retracement. I believe we just hit one, because this move down looks like, I'm not going to plot the trend-based fib extension, but this 1, 2, 3 or ABC, if it's a 1, 2, 3 all the way down here, then you're getting a wave 4 bounce. A wave 4 bounce could take you all the way up to the 0.5 fib, which would be at around 1880. The 0.5 is at around 1880. You see, we came all the way. After we came down, we came all the way very close to the 0.382 now, and we're getting a small reaction. If you were to enter a short, you would look for an acceptance below this POC at 1867 and possibly a retest, bearish retest test that you notice, and then you enter the trade. If you want to be in a safer trade, then you could wait patiently for 1880. However, just keep in mind that this chop that we've been in for a while could continue. We might come down and look so bearish, then we might even bounce up, come up to the 0.618 or higher. Now, if we're coming up to the 0.618, then I will show you what I'm looking at for the 0.618. So your first target, I told you it was a 0.5 fib. My next target could be this. We could go up to 1901 and we could be fine. It depends what is this formation being formed on the chart. But looking at the daily chart, we are trying to hold that POC. We've recovered majority of this candle over here. Targets to the upside, I told you previously that the most major targets for me is a 1914 up here, as you see, and 1666. If we start losing the POC, then I'll be looking at 1796. Where do you enter a trade? As I told you, smaller time frames, look for reactions on those levels that I gave you. If we're able to hold here and continue higher, then 1880 could be the next target, only to come back down and continue lower. Yeah, that's for Ethereum. Target has been hit. This could have been a take profit one. Congratulations to whoever took it. Now you could be setting up for your next trade, or even along from the POC, aiming for 1914 or the value area high at 1921. Just be aware you have EMAs on the way. You have Fibonacci retracements. There's so many things to watch in the chart. You can't flood your chart with many indicators, then you're going to get lost in your trades. But yeah, just keep it simple. We're trying to hold this. We got a green candle over here. There's a possibility we continue, and then you look for a reaction at the 200 EMA, which would be the 0.5 fib at 1880. The 200 EMA is at around 1878, 1879. So you have a confluence there, which would be very close to yesterday's low, where you'd find resistance. So if you look left, yesterday's low was somewhere here. Then you would say, okay, I'm at a level of resistance. I have a fib retracement. I have the 200 EMA. I'll fire a trade and see how it plays out to the upside or to the downside. Yeah, that's it. If you come lower, a level to bounce from would be 1850. Lose that, then you're coming much, much lower. All right, that's my update on Ethereum. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the likes. It helps the channel tremendously to get the content out there. And if you really like it, subscribe, hit your notifications, join the free Discord if you're interested. More trades, I'm out.